Hello friends, Vanakkam. Now we are going to see exercise 7.3 first sum. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter is 14 cm and the height of vessel is 13 cm. Find the capacity of vessel. A hemispherical bowl is mounted by a hollow cylinder. இந்த hemispherical bowl ஒரு hollow cylinder மேல வச்சிருக்காங்க. இது total vessel ஓட ஷேப்பே இப்படிதான் இருக்கு. ஒரு சிலிண்டர் அண்ட் ஒரு ஹெமிஸ்பியர் இதுதான் இருக்கு. இதோட டோட்டல் ஹைட் வந்து 13 சென்டிமீட்டர் அண்ட் டயா இஸ் 14 சென்டிமீட்டர். பட் இங்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க ஹாலோ சிலிண்டர். ஹாலோ சிலிண்டர் outer radius as well as inner radius are required. Okay, but for this case there is only one radius is given, so no need to worry about that. Even if it is required outer radius as well as inner radius, now we can able to find how much material is required to make the hollow cylinder. That's all. But here they are asking the volume of this vessel. Volume na how much things it can carry. So capacity அப்படின்றப்போ volume you should found. இந்த term ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Whenever they are asking capacity, you should go for volume. Here we have two solid shapes, cylinder and a hemisphere. For the two shapes, you should find the volume separately. Then you should add. Okay. Flask வந்து assume பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So this is the hollow cylinder. So this is the cylinder. Over that a hemisphere is mounted. Okay, va? Here from here to here it is 13 centimeter. Total height is given as 13 centimeter. So this dia is given as 14 centimeter, right? So dia is equal to 14 centimeter. Then radius is equal to what? 7 centimeter, which is 14 by 2. Okay, va? If this is a center, till this arc you have radius. See, radius பார்த்தீங்கன்னா throughout the arc the radius value will be same. See, அப்போ இந்த சென்டர்ல இருந்து இந்த பாயிண்ட் வரைக்கும் ரேடியஸ் அப்படின்னா இந்த சென்டர்ல இருந்து இங்கே என்னதான் ரேடியஸ் தான். ஒரு ஹெமிஸ்பியருக்கு from center to arc any line நீங்க டிரா பண்ணாலும் that is the radius of the hemisphere. ஓகேவா? so இந்த லைன் எல்லாமே சேம் லெங்தா தான் இருக்கும். so which is equal to 7 meters. Sorry, 7 centimeters. So this length is also 7 centimeters. This length is also 7 centimeters. Whatever the line you draw from center to this arc, na, it is 7 centimeter for hemisphere. This height is 7 centimeter. Na, the height of cylinder is equal to 13 overall height minus height of hemisphere, which is equal to 6 centimeter. The radius of cylinder is 7 centimeter. Hemisphere we need only radius. So the data first எழுதிட்டீங்கன்னா you can able to solve easily. Volume of hemisphere which is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 2 divided by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r cube. R cube is 7 cube, which is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. So 17 cancel. So multiply everything and divide with 3. 2 into 22 44. 44 into 7 or 44 into 7 7s are 49 divided by 3. 44 into 49 is equal to 2156 divided by 3. 2156 divided by 3 is equal to 718.67 centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder which is equal to pi r square h. See, we have only 1 r, so there is no need to confused about hollow cylinder. Just proceed as like normal cylinder. So 22 by 7 into r square is 7 square, which is equal to 7 into 7 into h is 6 centimeter. 7 cancel and 22 into 7 6 are 42. 22 into 42 is equal to 924 centimeter cube. Okay, now find the total volume. Total volume is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere, which is equal to, what is volume of cylinder? 924 plus volume of hemisphere is 718.67, which is equal to 1642.67 centimeter cube is the total volume of this vessel. Hope you understand. We will move on to next sum. Hello friends, now we are going to see second question from exercise 7.3. Nathan, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends. Okay. The dia of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, find the volume of model that Nathan made. Okay. See, Nathan is a student. He is asked to make a model in the shape a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends. See, a cylinder is there. At its two ends, cones are attached. So this is what the model he needs to make. Okay. And the dia of this model is 3 centimeters. See, it is attached. Attached means what? Dia of this model kuduthanga. So this dia is common to this cone as well as this cylinder. Okay, va? So dia is equal to 3 centimeter. And its length is, see, it is for model. Model dia is 3 centimeter and this model's length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, find the volume of model. See, each cone we have attached two cones no at its both ends. So in the height வந்து எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? This height is 2 centimeter. Then they are asking you to find the volume of model which Nathan made. Okay, va? So for this, volume of model is equal to volume of this cylinder plus volume of this two cones. Okay, va? Initially for cylinder, they are giving diameter. Dia is equal to 3 centimeter. Then radius is equal to 3 divided by 2. And height of cylinder is equal to height of model minus height of top cone minus height of bottom cone. Height of cylinder is equal to height of model is 12 centimeter minus, see, இந்த 12 சென்டிமீட்டர்ல இருந்து இந்த 2 சென்டிமீட்டரையும் இந்த 2 சென்டிமீட்டரையும் ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get the height of cylinder. கரெக்ட்டா? So 12 minus height of top cone is 2 and height of bottom cone is 2, which will give you 8 centimeter. Okay. For cylinder we found the radius and height. Okay. Then for cone we have two cones. Okay. Both cones are with same dimensions. Okay. Cone also having same dia which is equal to 3 centimeter. So radius is equal to 3 divided by 2 and height for both the cones height is 2 centimeter. Volume of model is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of both cones. Volume of cylinder which is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to 22 by 7 into r square 3 by 2 square. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into height is 8 centimeter. See, now cancel. 2 2s are 4. So 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 22 into 3 into 3 into 2 divided by 7, which is equal to 22 into 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 divided by 7, which is equal to 396 by 7, which is equal to 56.57 centimeter cube. Okay. இதெல்லாம் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஆல்ரெடி ப்ரீவியஸ் ப்ராப்ளம்ல நம்ம டிவிஷன் எல்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்கோம். இது பேசிக் டேர்ம்ஸ். இதுக்கு டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணால் வீடியோ ரொம்ப லெங்க்தாக போயிடும். அதுக்காக நான் ஆன்சர் மட்டும்தான் கொடுக்குறேன். ஓகேங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் வால்யூம் ஆஃப் டூ cones. Okay, so 2 into volume of one cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume of cone is 1 by 3rd of volume of cylinder. Okay, va? So we have two cones, that's why I am multiplying 2 here, which is equal to 2 into 1 divided by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square 3 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into h is height of cone. Height of cone is 2 centimeter. So 1 2 cancel, this 2 cancel, remaining this 3 cancel. 22 into 3 66 divided by 7. 9.42 centimeter cube. Volume of model which Nathan made is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of both cones, which is equal to volume of cylinder is 56.57 plus volume of the two cones is 9.42, which is equal to 65.99 centimeter cube. So volume of the model which Nathan made is 65.99 centimeter cube. Hope you understand.